Hi friends, I'm Super Chef Parikshet from Kids Fun Lunch Club. I'm going to make my own version of burger. So to make it, we need obviously burger bread. You could warm it up, or you can eat without warming it up. I prefer warm it up. I've asked my mom to warm it up for me. So we need some boiled circle potatoes and onion and coriander dip, spicy and crunchy snacks and ketchup and black salt and mango powder. And let's start making. My mom has cut this bun into two halves. It looks like this. It looks like two circles. So now let's start making the side burger. Okay. So you have to put the coriander dip on the front. I think that's done. The coriander dip is healthy. Now, ketchup. Wow, it's looking like ketchup coriander. And that's it, I think. Potatoes. I think that's it. Now we are going to put onion. Woo! Now we are going to put this black salt and mango powder. I think that's enough. And the crunchy and the spicy mix snack. Now we are going to put out a mold. We should fit. We are not done. So friends, this is looking like a chili. It looks so tasty. It's so tasty. So friends, I hope you try this out and you are going to love it. So bye friends and have a good day.